Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session we are going to see about how to install LEMP Stack on Ubuntu 22.04. LEMP is an open-source web application stack utilized for developing web applications. The acronym LEMP stands for Linux Operating System, L, Nginx Web Server, E, pronounced as Nginx, MySQL Database, M, and PHP Scripting Language, P. A LEMP stack, similarly, consists of a combination of four distinct software technologies that developers employ to create websites and web app. We need to check the OS version by using the following command. I am using Ubuntu 22.04. Check for updates and update the system using the following command. After updation, install Nginx using the following command. To ensure Nginx is functioning correctly, open the browser and enter the IP address. If everything is set up correctly, we will be able to see default Nginx page. To allow Nginx in firewall, use the following command. Then install MySQL using the following command. After installing, secure the Myriad installation by running the following command. Set the root password. Remove anonymous users, give yes. Disallow root login remotely, give yes. Remove test database and access to it, give yes. Reload privileges table, for all the changes to take effect, give yes. Log in to Myriad using the following command. Use your root password to login. Installing PHP scripting language is the final step. Install PHP along with commonly used extensions using the following command. Check PHP version using the following command. To configure Nginx to use PHP processor, open the default server block file in a text editor using the following command. Look for the location block and make the following changes. Next, add the following snippets to the default server block to allow Nginx to process PHP files. Save the file and exit. Then test modified Nginx configuration for syntax error using the following command. Just restart Nginx using the following command. To test our PHP setup, create PHP test file in web root directory using the following command. After to access it from the web browser, enter the service IP address /test.php. We have successfully installed LEMP Stack in Ubuntu 22.04, now our server is ready to host dynamic web applications. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.